In this video, I'm going to show you how to use new Instagram story fonts in 2020. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open Instagram, then you want to go up till you see the camera icon above your story. You want to hit the camera icon and then you can swipe down to the left to create. As you can see, here is the first theme. You can find other themes, but you basically want to use this first create theme. Then you can just type something. So I'm just going to type hello. You can type basically anything, that doesn't really matter. Then you can hit next and you can make it, you can make it bigger just like this. Now you can go up and you see the font I'm using is strong. And when I hit strong, it changed to classic, to modern, neon, typewriter, and this is basically how you can change the font. You can also change the color by using these buttons, and the size by using the left wheel over there, and you can hit effects over here and make it aligned to the center, right or left. So this is basically how you have to use the new Instagram stories fonts on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.